Water plays an important role in sustaining healthy life. The natural form of water is not only pure but rich in minerals, high with oxygen, and has micro-clustered water molecules. MyBooster is one of the very few customer-focused businesses which are changing the way we look at purified water and consume it through a range of products. How has your journey been so far?
So basically, we have started our operations like around 2 years back, and when it comes to our organization, we are into direct selling. So we have various franchisees and stockists or pan India, like around we are exist right now in 8 franchises. Just in a span of 2 years, we are now in 8 states and around 25 cities. So, of course, it's been a wonderful journey till now, and we are expecting a lot of exposure from here onwards because we are coming into international market. We are very soon we are going to have a Dubai franchisee or a Dubai stockist, we can call it as. So, yes, we have a lot of exciting things to come up.
You must get multiple queries from customers on a daily basis. So, what role has customer support played in your business?
When it comes to our entire model, as I told you, we are into direct selling. So we have very less people on field or pan India who are working on our roles, and as a product expert or as direct employees. So we have majority of the people who are freelancers. So to get these people, the freelancers, of course, my customer support really plays a vital role, because whatever online or offline promotions we are doing, we get a huge number of calls and inquiries and everything. So like around say every day we come up with like around 200 new leads coming to our website, 200 to 500, and every day we have around 100 tickets to raised through our different, like through our website, through our online platform, and everywhere. So yes, it is the most crucial part of the whole system right now in my organization.
There are multiple platforms in the market today to help streamline customer support. What factors did you keep in mind when evaluating those platforms?
And I was being very clear from day one that we are looking out for something which is very, very user friendly, because when it comes to customer support or telecallers or anybody who is on these profiles, of course, they are not very technologically proficient. So I really wanted something which is very user friendly. Apart from that, when it comes to my product experts or online, on-field people or sales team or the freelancers, of course, they are again not very acquainted to the technology or putting the reports or maintaining the MIS and everything. So anything and everything which is very user friendly, I was looking out for that. I evaluated, I'm not going to quote the names of the companies whom we evaluated, but I evaluated around 10 to 12 CRM companies who could give me the product, and I found Capture to be the most user friendly in all.
So, how did Capture CRM come into the picture and how did it help streamline your customer support process?
When it comes to data management, Capture is really a blessing to us right now, because there is not even a single lead which is not coming right now to us and which we are not able to keep it with us. Whatever the status is, like, there are so many categories we have created, and we've been doing like hot leads, warm leads, rejected, not rejected, client is not interested currently, we can push the lead for the further, probably after 2 months, after 4 months. So different kind of reminders, different kind of the messages we my in office telecallers or the outbound team is sending to my on-field people. So everything is so systematic. Apart from that, when it comes to a technology product, of course, we have a warranty of 7 years with this product. To maintain the whole stuff of warranty or the communication was really a challenge for us before CRM. So when it came to Capture CRM, this entire AMC PMC model has been a great blessing to us. That we are able to, like, every 3 months we have to ask our clients to change the filters or to clean the filters or cartridges. So everything we can put in the reminder, the auto tickets are getting generated. So now there is no check wherein we have to go and personally or manually involve into a process. Like, everything is now automated.
Keeping the current situation in mind, businesses are encouraging their teams to adapt to a work from home model. How did you evolve your customer support during COVID-19?
I think if you talk about the pandemic, Like suddenly everybody has understood and concluded that the new normal is going to be your technology, because everything at the end, like people earlier were always interested going and shopping from a shop or from a mall. But when it comes to now, of course the whole technology, the whole pandemic has changed the thought process of the people, or the people are ready to buy online now. In fact, my platform is also an online platform. So I think this entire customer support, because once the person comes, just shows the interest, there has to be some place wherein I can capture that person. There was no database or anything to be managed so nicely or systematically, like few Excels or probably some basic level of CRMs were working that point of a time. But now, as this pandemic has changed the whole process and people have become more tech savvy, people are ready to give the information, because they know that is the only way they can also get the information back. So I think it has become very helpful now. And if you talk about the future about it, like I feel that now my 9-year-old has come up with one app.
Customer support has changed in a way where people are now communicating with customer support representatives more actively. What do you think is going to be the role of customer support post COVID, which we have labeled as the new normal?
So when we are talking about this whole pandemic, I think the people, the mentality or the entire perspective towards looking at life has changed. Now I know a lot of software companies, a lot of technology-based companies who have shut their offices forever. Like we know the big names in the industry who are like 80% of the people, they say that they will be always keeping it from work from home.
How do you see the industry evolving in the coming years?
Basically, when it comes to our personal goals, we are coming up with certain products which are like DNA testing and all. So we have one of the most premium labs in India right now, and we are talking about healthcare, technology, wellness products. So when it comes to my industry, I feel this is completely a online industry, wherein people really want to read a lot, people really want to know a lot. Being a new industry, people really want to talk more about it, or get more information. So and at the same time, of course, there are a lot of such SEO, SMO, Google AdWord, all these things are very crucially taking place in the whole stuff. So I think within down the line, like 5 years down the line, there'll be a scenario when there'll be very less human interaction, a one-on-one interaction. It will be more system speaking to a system. And in that scenario, I think which is happening like 4 times in a week, we have around 100 people joining us from the whole pan India, from different states. And so when it comes to data management, capture is really a blessing to us right now.